Hello, I am Abhijit Bhardwaj. Welcome you all in live Jharkhand Breaking Headlines Today. Headlines Today is sponsored by SOA University Bhubaneswar, NIPS School of Hotel Management, Budhiya Bagan, Lakshmi Vilas Bank Gold Loan, and Zero Worries Private Limited. Chief Minister Hemant Soren said that the biggest challenge in front of youth is employment. The government's goal is to remove unemployment. Governor Draupadi Murmu said that the constitution is our guide through which the vision of development of the country is being fulfilled. President Ramnath Kovind said the power of India lies in the citizens, also the contribution of non-resident Indians. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said violence is not the solution to any problem, peace is the answer to every question. Several election meetings will be held of Home Minister Amit Shah, Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal and BJP's National President JP Nadda for the Delhi Assembly elections. Shashi Tharoor said if NRC NPR is implemented after CAA, then it's Jinnah's victory. Alert is issued all over the country regarding the coronavirus. Every citizen coming from China is being investigated. Voting started in Ranchi from the morning on Prince Club election. Enthusiasm among journalists. Relief in curfew from 10 am to 12 pm today for shopping of essential items in Lohardaga district. No crowd allowed. The husband dies, wife is injured in a truck hit on Hansedai highway in Dumka district. Thank you for being with us.